Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on creating a blog page in Squarespace. The process is very simple and easy. Squarespace is a powerful platform for building websites and its blogging feature make it easy to create and manage a blog. So in this tutorial, we will be showing you how to set up a blog page. You can add the post and customize the design. Whether you're a seasonal blogger or just starting out, Squarespace intuitive interface and flexible design options make it an ideal platform for creating a blog. With Squarespace, you can create a blog that showcases your writing, your photography, your other skills, your creative work, and much more. So you can customize the design to fit your brand, your style, and use Squarespace built-in features to manage the comments, the categories, and the tags. So let's just get started. First thing first, what you need to do is go to your squarespace.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and after that it is going to direct you to this dashboard. Now if you are a newbie, then you must learn how to create the website, because after you create the website you can add the blog page to your current website. But if you already know how to create the website and you have one, then you are going to go to your website. So if you are a newbie, I am going to give you a quick introduction on how to create the website, and after that we will be adding the blog page to it. You need to log. Now you have to follow 3 simple steps to create it. First question is that what your site is about. It could be about photography, about design, education, art, and much more. Let's just say I am looking for the design and I'm going to click on next. After that, what would you want to do with your website? Either you want to send or showcase your work expertise, you can also build a community, you can publish a blog, or you can also sell an online course. Now you're going to click on next. Now this is one of the most crucial steps, because here you need to design or you need to decide that what type of the template you're looking for. You can choose the Blueprint AI. It is going to help you, choose a design of your own. It is much of a labor route because you need to answer some questions, and this is how you would be able to create the Blueprint AI template. But if you're looking for the ideas from Squarespace, then you need to click on the designer templates. I would go for designer templates because this is one of the most powerful features of Squarespace. According to the answers of the questions that I have answered, it has given me about 31 templates, and I can choose any one of these. Let me show you guys. There are so many templates you could use. Let's just say I'm looking for this one because this seems more cool. Now you're going to start with the design, or you can change the colors. I'm going to start with this design, and this is how my site has been set up. It is going to take a few minutes to set up the things, and after that it is going to make all the features secure for you so that you would be able to use those features in order to add the blog page to your website. And after that you will be able to set the prices according to your plan. Here you see you need to navigate to the left of the page. Here you see there's an option of website, product services, membership, and much more. You're simply going to head over to your website. After that, you can make changes by going to the edit option. Here you will be adding your site title or whatever the other necessary changes that you're looking for. But after you're done that, you're going to go to the pages because we're looking for, adding the blog page. Now there are 2 options, main navigation or not linked account. You can choose any one of these. Here you need to click on this plus icon. Here, drag down to the collections. Here you see the options of blog. I am going to click on this option of blog. After clicking on blog, it is going to help you create the blog page for your site, which you can use to set up the blog page. You can add and manage the blog post. You can customize the design and layout, and you can also configure the blog settings. So you need to go to the blog. It might take a second, or you can also go click on this not linked account. Here you can also click in this blog page. This is going to take a few minutes to edit the blog page for you, but if it does not, then it must be some connection settings. I think I am facing some connection issue as well. Or if you're done editing, I'm going to go to my previous website because the new website might take a few minutes to load my blog page. Going to my website, the same steps, I'm going to go to my pages. You see, I already have created a blog page for me. I'm going to go to the main navigation. I'm going to go to my blogs. You can also go to the editing option. It is going to help you decide, because this video is just for the sake of the video. So, I have not made the necessary changes, but you can edit this according to whatever you're looking for. Now you can share your thoughts, your stories, your ideas. You can blogs or organize into the blog pages and individual blog posts. This is the first page users see when you visit your blog page. So this is going to give you some templates over here. Let me show you guys. I think this is a connection issue, but it's okay. Let me show you guys the blog that I have created before. You see, this is the blog. This is the type of the template that I have selected. This is the course one. So this is how you're going to create it. Let me just give it another try so that you see this is the blog. Here, it has given you so many templates. You can choose any one of these. Let's just say I choose this simple template. And after I choose it, you can rename it. Let's just say I write here, blog story. And I'm going to click and enter. And after that, it is going to create the blog for me. Now I need to follow a few simple steps to customize my blog page. You can add the pricing here to monetize your blog page here. And after you click on pricing, you can create the pricing plan here. And after that, the detail where you can add the name, you can add a simple description, a brief description. You can choose the fixed price. You see $1,500 for one payment, or the taxes, and yeah. So this is how you're going to add the details. After that, you are going to, after the brief introduction in this, you are going to select the course. You need to add the blog content here. Let's just say this is what I'm looking for. This is my site title. This is how I'm going to go to that section right here, what I'm looking for. Or you can simply go exit this page, or you can save it because you have made all the necessary changes. You can click on blog overview. There are so many pages. Blog overview has blog post title 1, title 2, and yeah. So the main thing is that you need to adjust your pricing plan. After you're done adding your pricing plans, you can simply edit these. And this is how it is going to help you set up a blog story. You can save it, and after that, when you save it, you would be able to come to your page again and make the necessary changes and give the final touches. After you're done giving the final touches, you can simply go publish your website. So you have successfully created a blog page in Squarespace with these steps. You can create a blog that showcases your content and engages the audience that is actually visiting your website. You can check it out on the desktop mode, or you can check it out on the mobile mode as well. Here's an option of mobile mode. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next tutorial.